Blogger Roundup. It's myOrganized.life live, September 13th, 2019. Look out. Don't walk under that ladder, for the black cat's going to be coming. And
because it's Friday the 13th. I didn't know where you were going.
Something
I thought,
for that.
What
What
is
ladder
the
are you talking
sky
about?
is falling?
You were probably
It's Halloween.
thinking, you were probably
I don't
thinking
know.
that the ladder for redoing the set.
You're obsessing about the set.
I am obsessing about the set.
I hope we don't give the viewers a letdown.
No, we are building expectations so big that Jackie, our set designer, has better be stressed out by now, because people have really high expectations now. But anyway, welcome to myOrganized.life live. I'm John Hunt.
And I'm Leanne Thompson.
This is the show where we give you the organizing tips, the organizing tips, advice, and on Fridays, your
favorite show and yours.
Mine.
And I should let you know that sometimes on Fridays, the Friday before the Sunday that the Vikings play the Packers, we get to wear our attire, which is why I am dressed in a like Vikings type shirt.
So it was wear your team colors, right?
Yeah, and I tried to dress it up with this sweater. Did it work?
Someone was asking me in a little small impromptu meeting.
What your colors are?
Well, yeah. Well, what sports do you like? And I go, well,
none.
Not really. Yeah. I go, I like watching golf. Is that why you wore the golf shirt today?
Hey, there you go.
So I am wearing
That's
my
pretty
team
good.
colors.
All righty.
What does that have to do with blogs?
Absolutely nothing. But we're going to talk about blogs today, and I'm going to kick it off first.
Let's put a slide up there.
All right. Professional-organizer.com, our friend, Linda Lapp.
Yes.
Being organized and prepared for a family emergency.
Ooh.
So we talked about emergencies yesterday, and this just happened to be put out.
I wonder if she was watching the show.
She might have been.
And decided to blog about this because it is what month?
National Preparedness Month.
Right.
However, this is more for like kind of health-related stuff, but still, same thing.
Okay, good.
Family emergencies strike routinely, whether it's a broken arm or a heart attack.
Or just regular drama in the house.
Yeah, exactly. But
every day,
yes, family health crises are among the most stressful for all of us. So it's good to be prepared.
Okay, so how do we do it?
Your medical health list.
Okay.
You should have that ready. Whether it's a hard copy or on Evernote, you just need to know, what you've had done. Did you have surgeries? What medications you took for it? All of that stuff.
People should watch our show from yesterday where we had the emergency medical planning all-in-one.
Right.
Red
which is what I just
and white
said.
Kit.
Yes. I said we talked about it yesterday.
I know, but you didn't tell me.
No, I didn't tell them about the kit. No.
Yeah, the kit.
Okay, the kit. Sure.
Might still be in the studio here.
No, but I put it away actually.
Okay. All right.
Ironically.
Go watch yesterday's show for this.
Your medical plan and doctor list.
Uh-huh.
With frequent changes to medical plans and doctors, keep a list of all your specialists, their phone numbers, and their specialty in your contact list.
Yes.
Track your visits and all that stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And your health is as important as it is for you to your family if it's an emergency.
Yeah, especially if you pass out and they don't know what to do.
If I pass out and you have no clue where to bring me.
Right.
Mm-hmm. Ongoing health concerns.
Okay.
Keep track of that. Keep a notebook you bring to your doctor's office to keep your discussions current and what treatments are current. And you'll want to refer to this regularly with notes and updates.
Okay.
Maybe get a folder. You can find folders on myOrganized.life and put your documents in there.
Yes, you
Organizing your medications. I can't talk today. Medications is one part of your ongoing health concerns.
Yes.
So fill out the day and time and week, that you have to take these prescriptions.
The plan.
Yep. And share your responsibility with family members. Make sure that they are...
If they're willing.
Yeah, but make sure you know what you're supposed to be taking. Make sure your family members know so they can ask you, did you take that today? Okay? And have support for you and your family. Be ready for an ongoing support for yourself and your self-care. Friends and family will ask how they can help, and be sure to give everyone a small responsibility. Yeah. Whether it's making a meal and bringing it over, maybe keeping track of your notes for you, or maybe even, bringing somebody to somewhere that if I was sick and I needed to bring somebody somewhere, maybe you could step in and say, let me take that person somewhere.
Let me just take that person somewhere. Right.
So anyway, these are just, go and read the article because it's much more than I discussed, but here it is again. Being organized and prepared for a family emergency. Professional-organizer.com. Professional-organizer.com.
Get that right. All right. Our next one is orgforlife.com. Why you need a project box and a master to-do list. Hazel Thornton. Okay. let's find out why. I mean, you can obviously go read the article too, but
why do you need the project box?
Well, the question is, do you have unfinished household projects laying
Don't
around?
We all?
Yes.
Well, I'm in between houses right now, so I don't right now.
Yes. Just yesterday, there was a little screw on our kitchen counter.
And you thought, where did that come from?
So I took it, I put it up on the ledge of the window.
Okay.
And then about an hour later, I come back and the screw is back on the counter. And I said to my wife, I go, do you know what the screw is for? She goes, no. I go, well, I put it up on the ledge because, we'll figure out what it is. She goes, well, no, we have to put it somewhere. So then she goes and puts it in this little box, which could have been the project box.
So where did the screw originally appear?
We still don't know where the screw is from.
Well, where did she find it?
Well, she found it on the ledge where I put it, but then I don't know why she put it
back down. Who put it on the counter first? Because screws don't have legs.
No.
Okay, so it's either Laura.
I know. Yeah, no, we can't blame Laura.
Okay.
Because she watches this show.
Okay, so
she admits she doesn't.
So someone found the screw somewhere.
There was a screw left on the kitchen counter.
Well, it wasn't left there because there's only 3 people left in your house. You, right. Christy, and Laura.
It's all Laura's fault.
So somebody had to find the screw, whether it would be on the carpet or on the floor.
I think we should have a family meeting and get to the bottom of this.
Find out where this, because that's going to bother me.
Okay.
I'm not kidding.
All right. Anyway, if I had a project box, I would put it in the project box, and on the master to-do list, I would put
find screw.
Out who put the screw on the counter.
Who is screwing with me and put the screw there?
Yeah, where is that? Yeah. Okay.
And then when you find out what it's for, you're going to go back and think, where did we put that screw?
No, where's the thing that it screws into? Now we got to find that.
And then where's the screwdriver? I bet you if you had a project box.
See, now,
is that where we're going with this?
Yes.
Okay.
If you have a project box, you put things in there like glue, screwdrivers. Here's like a broken window frame. I have one of those up at the cabin. Here's supplies for refurbishing the dining room chairs. So you have to go to the blog and look at. There's examples like those little felt pads.
I don't think that must be part of a chair rung because look that's the chair box. You got the chair leg pads.
Got it.
Glue for reinforcing that chair rung.
Yeah. So here it is. Step 1. Corral.
She could probably use a screw in there.
Yeah. Maybe
you should mail her one.
Should I just mail it to her and then I have to worry about it? Okay, corral small items pertaining to projects into a project box. Example, the screws. Screwdriver, glue, and felt pads that you're going to use to refurbish your dining room chairs this weekend.
Yeah.
And so anyway, you put those things in, and then step 2 is you add it to your master to-do list. So you have the master to-do list.
Master big list.
Figure out, where the screw is going.
Okay.
And then nothing goes into the project box or gets stashed elsewhere, like on the ledge, without adding the project to your master to-do list. Yes, this can seem overwhelming, but if you look at it every day and feel bad that all the items aren't completed, that can make you kind of sad, but this at least gives you a list of what to work from.
Yeah,
okay.
Cool, okay.
Then step 3, make a short daily to-do list and just choose a few things to do every day and knowing that, I'm not going to get all my projects done, but at least I'll get a few done.
She's got all these boxes with the different, the chair needs to be fixed. Here's a box for the chair stuff.
Well, I think she might have, you could have multiple projects in one box. Maybe not. Maybe we'll have to ask Hazel to comment
I wonder what we're adding to the list. The box or the project?
The master list is what are the projects, like fix the chair.
Got it.
But in the project box is all the things to fix the chair with. Okay.
And the small things is...
Instead of laying them on the counter.
Yeah, we don't want to do that.
Okay, and then review your master to-do list weekly. So that's that family meeting or whatever.
Find the screw.
Yep, and look at that list and say, I still haven't figured out where that screw is coming from, so I can't fix whatever it is that needs to be fixed. So that's going to be a mystery. Maybe by next Friday we'll have this figured out.
One of your handles loose on your kitchen cabinets?
Could be, but
if it's in the...
It was a real small screw, though.
Okay. Now where are we going? I need to figure this out. How small? This small?
This is not the purpose of this show.
I want to find out. How small is it?
Let's do a show tomorrow and figure it out. No, it's one of those really small screws. It's like...
so it's for a light plate.
No, it's bigger than a...
Bigger than a light plate, but actually, smaller than a drywall screw.
It's like, what I think it might be from is like a little slide on something. You know how some of those, you have a little slide, there's usually like a really tiny, or like a battery compartment.
Ooh.
I mean, it's a small screw.
Okay.
Okay, well, I'm going to put the slide up here.
I'll think about that the rest of the afternoon.
I've used all my time up
trying
to solve the mystery of the screw.
We are already over. Okay.
Hazel Thornton, Org for Life, why you need a project box and a master to-do list. Let's move on here to number 3.
Alrighty. Org Junkie, Laura Whitman. 4 digital organization tasks to do today to save your sanity.
Now notice too, this says this is a guest post. So
it is a guest post.
For Kristen. So we got it for Kristen from the Gold Project.
The Gold Project. That might be a new blog I should check out.
We got to give her a shout out.
All right, Kristen from the Gold Project, using Laura Whitman's blog space for her own blog.
Laura's got like the master
She's
blog.
got the master follower.
She's got the massive one.
Yep.
So, okay, good.
All right, she starts off. When you think about organizing, you probably immediately think about your house or the physical and tangible items that you own.
I'm thinking about the screw is really what I'm thinking about.
I know.
Now, that's going to be on my mind
I
now
know.
the rest of the day.
Well,
Where is that screw at?
At least you have to focus for the rest of the show.
Okay.
Then after we go off air, we can talk about the screw.
Focus.
Okay. Have you ever thought about digital organization? They might not be physically causing you clutter and stress, but they are extremely important to have organized.
Okay.
So where to start?
This is mainly about digital organizing,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Okay.
So go through your emails regularly.
Right.
We stress that all the time on the show. I don't follow that rule.
Yes.
Do you?
Oh, well, it depends on what you mean, because some people say go through them like once every 3 hours. Other people say, as soon as it pops up,
organize them. Like I have emails from July of 2017.
Okay, so phase 1 is just delete as fast as I can, and then anything that is maybe something, then later on I go do that. But I try not to have, by the end of the day, anything left in that day, but usually there's like 3 or 4.
I need to do that.
I've got like 2 or 3 for every day for like the last 2 weeks.
Oh.
And eventually my goal is to try to file them in those little subfolders.
Yeah, I've seen your subfolders. Okay.
So I keep everything. I thought you just deleted everything. You don't even save emails, do you? Right?
I just save them, but
did you get the email I sent you? No, I deleted that.
Well, when you're kind of vague, I sometimes just delete it.
Okay.
Okay, create folders for important emails.
Hey,
you must have read ahead.
Yes.
All right.
I have way too many probably though, because I think I have about 40 folders.
Can't have as many as me.
I think that was from like one of our Organizer 411.
Way back in the day?
Way back in the day, and one of our professional organizer friends said, set up all the folders.
Okay, well, there you go.
I followed
and then if you're going to be at home, maybe have a bill pay folder or a trip planning folder, stuff like that. And create folders on your computer. Mm-hmm. Also, I've talked about this before. They should match your tangible paper.
Yes. Yeah, kind of parallel your...
So files should be in the form, maybe they could be in the form of Word documents or PowerPoints or just Notepad. Right. But it's something you need to keep those organized so they're just not all thrown on your desktop or thrown in the miscellaneous folder that you'll never find again.
Not the dreaded miscellaneous folder. Okay.
And place your apps in folders.
I haven't heard of that one before.
It's really easy to continuously add apps to your phone without any organization. You can get to a point where you have a page after page of apps, which means it could take forever to find a particular app. Yes. So, create folders. I never thought of creating folders on my phone. I probably don't even know how to do that.
All I can think about
and still the
my mother-in-law's. No, I'm thinking about, she just like keeps every app open.
Oh, I have a bad habit of that too.
Like there's 25 apps open, you're going through. Oh my gosh!
Also, you just go clear all, and then it's done.
Right. Anyway.
Okay, one more time with the slide. Org Junkie, Laura Whitman with Kristen from the Gold Project, subletting Laura's blog space. 4 digital organization tasks to do today to save your sanity.
Orgjunkie.com. All right. Whoa, we made it through.
Just barely squeaking by. The time is late. We got to go. It's Friday.
And we have that screw issue that we've got to resolve.
We're going to talk about that as soon as you
cut
this feed.
I think what we're going to do is we'll invite you back Monday. We'll give you an update.
We should write a note right here.
Yeah.
So we know. So we remember. Because we'll forget about it.
Actually, I really kind of want to forget about it, but anyway.
No, I'm going to write it down.
Okay, that means we'll be back Monday, 2 p.m. Central, 3 Eastern, noon Pacific, right here, myOrganized.life live. New solutions for your desktop from myOrganized.life. Fall is a time for a change in colors, and now you can brighten up your desktop with organizing products from myOrganized.life. Colorful, fresh, invigorating. Give your desktop a new look with new desktop solutions from myOrganized.life. That's myOrganized.life. myOrganized.life.